In this MetaMask tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Fantom Network to your MetaMask wallet so you can send funds to your MetaMask account and make transactions. And as a bonus, towards the end of this video, I will show you how to earn some passive income using your crypto assets. So make sure to stick with me till the end. But for now, let's get scoping. Firstly, we need to open our MetaMask extension. But if you don't have the app yet, then you need to go to metamask.io and click on download now and follow the steps. But I'm assuming you already have an account already. But if you don't feel comfortable and need more help on setting up your MetaMask account, then I have a full in-depth MetaMask tutorial, which I'll link in the description below. But for this video, I'm assuming that you already have MetaMask installed. So we can just go to our extension and click on MetaMask. Then you want to hover over these three dots, click on it, and then click on expand view. This will bring up your MetaMask dashboard where you can see all the cryptocurrencies that you currently have on the Ethereum blockchain. An important note that I want to make here is that when you connect your MetaMask wallet to the Fantom Network, you will not have to create a new MetaMask wallet for this. You can use this exact same address here for the Fantom blockchain. But it's up to you how you want to go about things. You can always create a new wallet by clicking here and then click on create account, or you can import a previously created wallet from here and use that wallet separately on your Fantom Network. Now while we're on the topic of creating new wallets, I strongly recommend you connect your MetaMask wallet to a hardware wallet. So we can see here, you can connect to hard wallet by clicking on this button, and MetaMask supports Ledger and Trezor hard wallets. I do have them both and like both of them, but it just depends on your preference. I've done a full in-depth review on both these hardware wallets and have easy links to these products, and I'll put them all in the description box below as well. But this is the best way of keeping your account safe, as when your USB hard wallet is disconnected from the computer, no one has access to your wallet at all. So today I'm going to show you two different methods of connecting your MetaMask to the Fantom Network. So for the first method, you just click here and click on custom RPC, and it will show up with 5 blank boxes that you have to put information into. And this information can be found on the official Fantom Foundation website. And you can see here, I'm just going to copy all these 5 fields over one by one. And I'll make sure to paste this information in the description for you as well. So now that everything is in there, you can click on save. And we can go back to our dashboard, and you can see here the Fantom Opera network is up and running. And our main token here is FTM. And if you want to go back to the Ethereum network, you can click here and go back to Ethereum mainnet. So now I'm going to delete this and show you the second method. We will need to go to chainlink.org, and this website is an aggregation of all the different blockchains available for you. So if we go up to here and type in Fantom, and this is the one that we want. You can see here, this is the same information as on Fantom's own website. So we can click on connect wallet and now click add to MetaMask. A window will pop up for you to confirm the information. So now we can double check everything and then click on approve and then click switch network. So now let's go back to our MetaMask again. The Fantom Opera network has been added successfully again. So I hope you can see the difference here between the two methods. This second method here is much easier and less chance of making a mistake, as you don't have to copy and paste each individual line. You simply just have to click a few buttons and it's all done. Now the next thing you can do is earn some passive income through Spooky Swap and the Fantom Network. And to do that, we would go to farm. You can see here there are all these different pairs that if you stake them, you're able to earn an APR of 100%, 200%, there's some crazy gains here. So you can see if it's over 100%, that means within a year, your asset will double. But obviously there's going to be some risk of impermanent loss here, as you have a US dollar coin and the Fantom coin. But I won't go in depth on explaining impermanent loss here, as it is more of a complicated issue. I will cover it in another video. I just wanted to get your feet wet in this video and show you the potential of earning some passive income with the cryptocurrency assets that you already own. If you're looking for more variety and want to stake your other assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins as well, then it is a good idea to take advantage of these platforms, which I'm about to show you here. Plus, you can get a free sign-up bonus worth $375. So I think it's a no-brainer here. You simply just have to go to the links in the description below, sign up for these platforms, and start staking your crypto to earn your standard APY and the free bonus. You can see here through my links, BlockFi will give you a $250 bonus when you stake your crypto with them, and Celsius Network is going to be a $50 bonus, Crypto.com is also not bad at $25. Same thing with Leden at $25. And lastly, Voyager is going to be $25 as well. My favorites, which I use for the long term, are BlockFi, Celsius Network, and Crypto.com. But Leden and Voyager are still worthwhile signing up and getting their bonus. However, if you want more information and more ways to earn passive income through your cryptocurrency, then I strongly recommend you check out this next video here. But if you still need more help on MetaMask, like connecting it to other dApps or sending your funds to other blockchain network, then I have a full MetaMask playlist here which you can check out. And I'll see you over in that next tutorial.